How to verify your Kraken wallet on Android devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your Kraken wallet on Android devices. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Kraken wallet, and if you log into your account and if you're not verified, so it will give you this pop-up that says additional information needed. So simply tap on get started and it'll take you to the Chrome here. As you can see, kraken.com, and here it will ask me for verification. So let this load up. So it asked me to sign in again on the browser, and I have signed it again. And here you can see it says we noticed you are signing in from a new device. Approved device by opening the approval link. So I'll just open up the and as you can see, I'll approve the device, and once you approve the device, it will take me and I'll access my account. Once you do so, you can see it says additional information needed and get verified. You can tap on get verified option there, and now it should take me to the verification process. Now it's getting a bit complicated here, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you can either use a webcam. You'll have to identify yourself. You can see a photo of yourself holding your proof of identity. So you want to hold your proof of identity facing towards the camera. You want to make sure that your face and the proof of identity you're holding is clearly visible. You want to hold it in such a way that you are not blocking any words on the card as well. So I'll just use the webcam here real quick. And once you have sent it, once you have made sure that the picture is clear, now if you are having problem taking the picture on the browser, then you can simply go ahead and first click the picture with your camera, and then you can upload it from your gallery. So I'll just continue, and you can see it's under review now. This is how you can verify your Kraken wallet on Android devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.